Well, good morning. It's December the 10th, 2021. I'm heading out this morning, Northwest Indiana, do some duck hunting again with my buddy Mike. It's 5:30 in the morning. Left quarter till 5 to get over here. Yeah, it's supposed to be a warm day. A little foggy out right now. Warmer than normal. Heading up his duck hunting spot, and we're going to see what happens. I'm going to attempt to wear the GoPro today on my head. We'll see how that goes. So, and if I got 4 batteries, and hopefully it lasts. I did not bring a charger, so we'll see what happens. I'll be back. Wow. I see. Oh, wow. Tight. This one's a little tighter than the other one. Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, really? They flew right over the beacons. You ready to see that? My son. Go out front.
Got one. Sweet.
Here.
How did we get out of that group?
About 7.
Did you really?
I got one. How many did you get, Larry?
I never fired a shot.
Okay.
Fired a shot.
No, they were off
Right
the.
here.
I got one over here, Mike.
You got one back
Yeah.
here too.
When you said they were out front, I was looking for them. All I seen was high ones, and
Okay.
then I didn't want to shoot over your head.
Yeah, yeah.
And
There you go.
so I, instead of firing over somebody's head,
Yeah,
They're high
I get
enough
it.
to shoot above them.
It's better to be safe, right, Larry?
yeah,
Yep.
because this short barrel will ring your ears. And you know,
What is it, 26? What is that? That's even less than...
it's 22-inch barrel.
Oh, 22. All right.
And then it's got a extended choke on it to make it about a 24,
Okay.
24 and a half.
Here.
And then I didn't know, I didn't see anything down low.
Okay.
And
I just saw them off to my right here, my starboard side.
yeah, when they were climbing going off to the right, I saw
Yeah.
those, but I didn't want to shoot at them.
Yeah. I didn't even see the ones over by Mike.
Yeah. 6 out of them. Here. Out. And you got one off your back left side, right? I seen that one. Go
Okay.
down.
You saw that one go down?
Yeah.
Sweet.
I'm watching it with you to make sure I get a count. I said I thought we shot 7.
Okay.
Heel. 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 Ah!
I'll take that all day.
Yeah, that was cool.
I'll be out.
Hold up. Hold.
I got a hen. Doggone it, Mike.
That's all right. Shoot.
We don't care. Duck's a duck. And they all eat the same.
They're up high. Up on the left. Left side. Right above us. Oh my gosh, right above us to the left. You ready? It's on the left side. Right in our face. Be ready to shoot. There's two out in front of them. Try these three. Okay, good lord.
Brady, they went a couple hundred yards. That's probably over by the dry square over there.
Well, I could have used one more. Doggone it.
Hold, buddy, hold.
I saw a drake and a hen just floating by here, and I'm like, looking over Mike. I'm like, are you ready, Mike? What's going on?
I won't shoot into a big group unless the whole group comes down.
No, that makes sense. And
We still got, what, 12, 11 days left?
Okay.
They flew off, that big group. That's why I shot at those three.
Okay.
But yeah, you'll educate that whole group of birds.
I see.
If we had wind, we would have got those ducks right in the...
That one pass, they were.
Those two ducks, I thought you could have reached out and grabbed.
Yeah. I mean, it's floating
Yeah.
right by. I'm like, what is going on?
I hate, like I said, I hate to shoot at those two.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I didn't realize what was happening.
Dry spread, he's got to sit in the blind with me, which it'll be easier to run him in that blind for sure than these pits. But
Yeah, downstairs. Never been used.
never been used.
You ready? Gadwall.
See if I can get up without busting my head.
West side. Ready?
Try.
I think I did, but I don't know.
They ain't gonna do much more than that.
I shot at it. I don't know if I got it.
Woo, here's a mountain for you. That is the prettiest gadwall we've got out here. Proud. Sit. You got another one. Oh.
Those don't go against the count, do they?
Yeah. You're
Those-
well, no, you're
those are
allowed 6
others.
ducks. There are others.
What breed?
Gadwall?
Gadwall. Wow, that's pretty.
Yeah, they're a really
That is
nice
awesome.
Anybody else shoot at that real high bird?
The one that was straight up.
bird. If that thing wouldn't fill in the mud.
They can clean the mud off.
Well, we definitely got new birds in.
Yeah, we do. Now we just gotta keep them. I'm hoping they went to the.
Man, what a good hunt today.
Yeah. He comes off my core. I'm just gonna wait. Nope, be ready. You ready? Nice.
Yeah, you had him.
Good job, man.
I'm looking for him and he's already fallen.
Yeah, that's what I said too. I was gonna do the second.
Good dog, buddy.
He's not no, doesn't know how to jump off that ice yet. There he goes. Well, he didn't have a choice that time.
He's breaking the ice up for you, Mike.
Usually when he gets to the edge, it breaks.
Mm-hmm. Where you going, man? I just got.
Can't wait to shake off in front of us.
Right above us.
Ready?
Right above us.
Go. You ready? You ready? West side. Get him. Oh man.
Got them all.
Well, that's a good way to empty our guns.
Oh, got them all.
You guys good to go?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
That's probably our little 10:30 flight.
Can't wait all day for the old folks.
Well, I said take them, and I hear bang, 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 and they're all three falling.
I shot at the Drake. Did you shoot at the Drake?
I shot at the middle one, whatever the middle one was.
All right.
I didn't even look to see what it was.
Yeah.
I shot the middle one. In that first group,
You what?
that big group, you didn't even shoot, did you?
No.
Yeah.
No, I was looking for ducks, and
They're falling already.
they were falling. And then this last group, they were all falling when I got up to shoot.
You hand me them ducks. I'll have to tell the dog to pick it up and run the other way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been picking up a pocket full of shells every time I get out.
Yep.
Just things run around out there.
What do you need me to do right now, Mike?
I'll just hand you these butts. And they just unplug by that little thumb hole. I'll just hand you up right there.
They do what? Right here?
Just unplug right there.
Just pull right out?
Yeah, just pull that right up.
Okay.
Actually, I'll just have you throw him in the pile over there. Ah, he's bringing the tub. Well, that's a good hunt.
Dude, you're pretty fast. I mean, I said you're fast on the pole. I mean,
You got like that split second.
you're sitting here blowing a call, and all of a sudden your gun's up and shooting.
I'm yelling, taking him and pulling.
I mean, it's amazing how fast you
I
are.
used to public hunt.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
And I mean, it was downright. If you weren't ready, you weren't killing ducks. I did a lot of it on the Kankakee River,
Okay.
and it was like I'd run a huge spread in some of those pockets, 200-300 ducks, just because I know the guy next to me had a dozen.
Okay.
You know. Yeah, after that one step, you got nothing. You know. And they're just so weird this time of year. I mean, it's hard to get them. You got 10 days left.
Yeah.
It's a tough hunt. Like, we obviously got new birds, but they've still been shot at from Canada down to here, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Hey, bud.
It's almost got bars on it.
Yeah, dude, those are pretty ducks, man. You go down south, we shoot, like guy was just talking to, we shoot a lot of Gadwalls with him when they're there.
Ganwalls?
Gadwalls.
Gadwalls. Okay.
You got Gadwall, widgeons, mallard, wood ducks, teal, green, and blue. Blues you don't see, you only see them in the summer. We shoot them in,
Okay.
oh, they got a September season on them. We'll shoot the crap out of them. A couple days here and there. They're really hard. They're literally migrating, so they might be here today. And you go to hunt them tomorrow, and they've already left.
Oh, really?
It is quick. It is. You know, there's be days there'll be 300, 400, 500 in here. We'll come the next day, see 2. It's just
They move in and move out that fast.
Yeah, they're gone. They're not waiting for anything or anybody. And that was just good brush, good cover. Usually around between 9:30 and 10:30 we get a big bunch. We get like 20, 30 coming.
Wow.
We'll take those 3. Oh, bud, you did good. You broke on that last one. Yeah, that one will be 100 plus yards.
So you've got to really be disciplined not to, you know, let them fly around until it's absolutely perfect.
That's how I used to tell people, we'll let them, you know, if they're working, I'm like, don't, you know, you'll get those 2, 3 cherry birds that are hanging like over this morning.
Yeah.
Don't shoot them.
Dude, those little boogers are like right here.
And I'd rather not shoot the whole group, because that whole group will come back,
Okay.
you know. Watch that group. Unless that's when the street comes back. Let's get them. I used to go hunt the property, and I'm not kidding, there'd be 2, 3, 4,000 ducks there.
Good Lord.
And we'd shoot 40 birds that morning, but every time we shot, there'd be 1,000 ducks above us. Just educated every time you shot. And then it took weeks to get them back in there.
Okay.
If you even got them back in there at that point, like it would be. Now I don't even hunt the property for the first 2 to 3 weeks, depending on the season. Like I didn't hunt the property this year until.
All right, Mike, you gotta buy the next dozen. The rule is if you shoot a decoy, you gotta buy a dozen.
Oh, that's fair.
Just let them go.
I better go check that.
He's looking at it.
It's a great shot.
Get in the picture.
You see Mike?
Yep. Kobe.
Alright.
Did you get a new gun case there, Lair?
That's for that little V3 turkey gun I got.
Oh, is it? I said somebody's got a new case.
It's got a scope and everything that goes on it.
And like today, we'll pull these decoys out behind us and put them more on this hill and they'll crawl right up this hill towards us. And then that blind will stick out. So.
Yeah, you would think that
Down.
No, I know, but still.
I mean, yesterday you watch those groups go. Trying for yesterday, but it might not be the same today.
Yeah.
But we do have a pond, and we're actually set up to shoot them.
Oh boy.
And yesterday they were moving at decoys at that pit.
Oh, I see.
Kill them. Right here, look. These have already been in the field. See, they're
So what was the difference on the feet, Mike?
well, this one probably just hooked up with them, but they're still. See how they're muddy? That's
Okay.
dirt right there.
Okay.
This one's really dirty.
Okay.
I mean, we're gonna kill them on this pass. Right in front of us.
In front of us?
Get ready.
Oh,
Kill
there
'em.
it is.
Kill him. Go.
Dude, I swear 3 of us shot at the same time.
What's that?
3 of us shot at the same time.
That's okay. It's dead. That's all that counts.
Yep. There was one boom, and then the first one knocked it, and then everybody else shot at the same time, and then boom, instantly.
That's what you get for smoking and shooting. Hold up.
Yeah, that one's been shot by 4 different individuals.
Go. Good, buddy.
Okay, this is great.
Did he break that time? What's that time? Did he break that time? No, I just been yelling his name. Whatever. I don't care. I'm having fun. This is like a slash one. Nobody's gonna shoot him because we're all shooting.
Yeah, up in the air, yeah.
Yeah. So let him have a little fun. He was hurt. Why could we not get those over us? That's the first flock of snows and blues. They're coming back.
They are?
Heading north and coming back. Alright, you ready?
Oh, there they are. Straight out.
Try them.
But you know, you just don't never know what's going to come
So
in
that's
next.
a blue.
What the heck?
Have you ever even seen them?
No.
These came from the North Arctic.